After you've printed out your bridge loading platforms, cut a piece of nylon string approximately 25 centimeters long. Tie an overhand loop on the end of the string. Cinch the knot down tight. Make a small loop on one side of the knot. Push it through the off-center hole. Push the other loop through the center hole. Thread the center loop through the off-center loop and cinch down. Push the knot towards the off-center hole. While maintaining pressure on the center loop, add hot glue to both the center hole and the off-center hole to keep everything from moving. Add additional hot glue over the length of the knot. You have now completed assembly of the Spaghetti Bridge weight loading platform.